ahead. Good? Okay. All right. So, in order to be a good scientist, you must be observant. So that means that taking in all of the things that are going on around you in order to make a hypothesis of possibly what's going on. Oh, you're just standing there. Okay. I didn't know if you needed anything. Okay. So, for example, yeah, if anybody wants to come closer, this is not as dangerous as the last one. So, we want to make observations. Okay? So, if I said to you, I want you to tell me what's going on, you have to make some observations. What are you observing right now? Somebody tell me something.
You.
Me? Yes.
There's liquids.
There's liquids, okay? So you notice that you have, looks like 3, maybe 4, but this is kind of a waste, so you don't worry about this one. You have 3 different liquids here. What about the liquids?
They're clear.
They're clear, right? So that's basically, and one is in a roundish flask and 2 are in beakers. What else do you notice?
They're labeled.
They're labeled what?
A and B.
A and B, so that could just mean like 1 and 2, right? We don't know anything about that, right? And these have pipettes, disposable pipettes. And then finally, well, thank you for thinking in the elements. But so the name of this chemical, I'm not going to tell you it, but it's a very long, horribly spelled out name. So we're lazy and we write phph. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it'll give you too many. It'll be too easy for you to guess what's going on. What do you want to observe about this, though?
It's not clear.
It's not clear.
It's a yellowish.
It's a yellowish tint, and it's labeled phph. So I will tell you that there are a couple drops of this phph in here. That's what that was used for. Okay. So what do you want to do? Let's call this the stock solution, and these are the 2 ones that we're going to manipulate with there. So let me start it out. I'm gonna put A into our stock. Okay, right? So clear liquid into clear liquid. What is your hypothesis is going to happen? Tastes clear, right? Everybody cool with that? Clear into clear makes sense. It seems like it's water, right? It's just water. Water into water is clear. What do you want to do now?
Do the other one.
Drink it? No, no drinking. You want to do B, right? So let's try B.
Pretty.
Good. If you know it, don't say it. Don't say it. What do you want to do? No, the pH is already in there. Yeah, it's already in there. More of the B?
Yeah. Let's do a lot. Let's keep going.
Ooh, that took a while. What do you want to do?
A. Do it at the same time.
Okay, hold on. I will do that. What about just a little more B right now?
Okay. B.
Because I don't want to get too far off track. What do you think's gonna happen?
It's not going to disappear.
It's not gonna explode. It should not explode. If it does, we got problems. I know, isn't that a nice color? Okay, now what do you want to do? So somebody said mix A and B together, right? Okay, so that's what I have this for. Ready? I don't want to mix up my.
Oh, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Did you get to like decide what color that would be, or is that like whenever you mix those things, they're that color?
Yes. Whenever I don't want to give away too much. Whenever I use this, it'll be that color when this thing happens. But I can have a different one of this category of compounds that would make a different color. Okay. So when I put this and I mix these 2 things together, that will always be that. So I'm going to mix A and B. Somebody said A and B, right?
Yeah.
Clear and clear? Clear. Okay? But that was good. You're thinking, what do I, like, these are pieces to the puzzle. What do I want to do next in order to, you want to test every single thing. I did it, so I didn't want to contaminate in there. But good. But at least we've checked that off the list. We know that A and B together do nothing. Okay? All right, so what do we want to do?
More pH.
No, pH is already in there. It doesn't need any more. So just A, right?
Swirl it.
So what are you noticing about the relative amounts?
Yeah. If there's more B, it turns pink.
Right? Okay, very good. Yes?
So the more pink you add, I guess it overpowers the A.
Gotcha. Okay. So the relative amounts of things, right, are mattering. What were you gonna say?
I would say the more, is it the B that was clear or A that was clear?
B turned it pink. Yep.
The more A would outbalance the pink.
Right, so it seems like amounts of things matter, right? Intensities, how long, right, I have to do this before it disappears, right? Kind of thing. You want to do anything else while I do this? Because that's basically it. There's no more magic after that. Any questions? Anybody want to put two things together?
You just put more B.
Put more B to put it back? Yeah, I hear you. Let's do that. Turn it back to pink. I don't know if that's going to be enough. Let's see. Isn't that pretty? Cool. Okay, so tomorrow, along with another assignment that we'll talk about after the quiz, come up with what's going on here. Okay? So,
Written or just
huh?
verbal? Like, are we gonna have a
Just
class
verbal.
discussion?
Yeah, class discussion. Yeah, we'll do that for the demos. Cool?